Police officers responded to a report of individuals in the park with open containers. The defendant was found in possession of a 24-ounce can of Four Loko.
You guys got a lot of guts flipping off cops when you're holding beers. So,
man,
you guys got IDs
get your
with
ass up out of here.
You need to back off of me.
Right.
Don't walk up on me. That won't get you anywhere.
Fuck you anyway. What's up, jackass?
I need your IDs.
Man, what the
Excuse you?
You gonna take what you talking about?
No, I need your ID.
Man,
I don't want your money.
Ain't no disrespect, officer. How you doing today?
How are you? Stand over there, Michael. Step back. You give me your ID.
Yo, bitch thing.
Give me your ID, and then hand me the drinks. You'll drink your hands and your right there.
Man,
You're gonna hand it to me, or I'm gonna get it. One of the two.
You wanna get it? Go get it.
Have a seat.
Go get it then. Man, you have a seat, man. I'll go sit down there. Cause I like to sit. Look at that, man. Some people help my family. Man, get your ass out of here. Whatever. Get my ID back.
Excuse you?
From Washington
Sit down.
to MLK.
Man, you lying.
Walk up on me, Nancy.
All right, cause you got pads on?
Yeah,
He
because I
just
have a badge
walking
on.
over and because
Man,
you
you
got
ain't
his ID,
shit.
honey. You got his
Okay,
life right
that's
there.
fine.
That's all he
But don't
doing.
walk up on me or you'll find out where I am.
Don't even touch
Don't mean
it.
no
I'm
disrespect.
not touching
now.
you. You don't walk up on
Hey,
me.
don't never lie to me.
Chill.
It's all right, Rudy Tootie. He gonna give you your life back, baby. He gonna give that ID back, baby. Because it's his life. That's all he
Oh, of course,
worries
he's
about.
going to get the ID back
That's all he worries
as
about.
soon as he gets a summons to go to court. And if he runs his mouth and really pisses me off,
Now,
he'll
who
go
the
to
hell
jail.
you talking to then?
Come
So,
on now,
You put that, hey, oh, you want to be that bitch ass nigga?
Right.
You want to be that bitch ass person?
Me.
You thirsty this morning?
Yeah.
I know you
It's
are.
a dry one.
Go
Man,
get some
oh,
drinks
It's a dry
then.
one. It's a dry one.
Man,
Hey,
get
what's
your ass up
happening?
out of here.
What's up?
7 right here. I'm 10-4. I'm just on freak 2.
Yeah, my God, people.
Oh, you Michael. I see you.
I'm
You
Miller.
ain't, man, you
Miller.
ain't braced on.
That's
That
that's
poor
way it is.
attitude is going to...
I'm sorry.
Hey, that poor ass
They
dude you
sit
got.
that cane out on
Hey,
You got
shit.
your hand, you got their life, so that's why they.
That shit back.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Don't mean no
What's up?
disrespect.
You ain't black, nigga. You ain't black.
Man, you gonna pull that man.
You ain't black.
Why that bitch ass? Put
These
that
guys
ass
decided
on
to
my
flick Vaquera and his recruit. So Vaquera sent me up here to talk to these two fine
Why
guys.
you make your whole goddamn thing you could left half?
I'm going to grab that and you're going to sit back and relax.
Rudy,
Hey,
Rudy.
Bo.
Hey.
Hey, Bo.
What's how he get?
Hey, I'm going to go do some summonses. I'll be right back.
You ain't shit, homie.
Pussy ass kids. Anyway.
This is what you get for flicking off cops sitting at a red light. From now on, just mind your business.
Hey, you
Oh,
ain't
wait.
me, though.
Now I need your ID, too.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, what's your name?
Maya.
Amaya? I'm going to go check you out. Hang tight for a few minutes. You got moments.
Yeah.
Because
Right
I'm black.
here with it. Black out here.
Man,
Black lives matter. I
beat
know
my
that's
ass
right.
last night. I called the police.
You got your gloves on, huh?
Yeah.
You ready to do an inspection? Like,
Okay.
wee.
I'll take my ID.
Wee. He said, wee. You coming up with that, bro?
He's like, shoot,
Hey.
beat your ass.
Hey.
I would take a bad dog.
Oh, you're the officer I met down the way.
Who
at
the
park,
fuck you talking to?
right? Yeah, I talked to you already. How you doing? All right, I'm wonderfully blessed, alive. Boy, I tell you, I just went to a service. Let me tell you, you just got to steadfast with that endurance, brother. And whatever
You
junction
took
you
my
at,
ID.
you understand?
You
You
took my
got to be
ID.
that guiding light. Be
Hey.
that beacon. All right now.
Why you ain't that old CSTV?
Hey, look.
Oh,
Look.
ain't that?
Hey,
Oh, they
not
got a
go
fork
head
out
off.
here, boy.
Walk on privacy. Walk on privacy.
Oh, yeah. Hey. I was like,
Hey,
hey, pass me the money.
Don't
Whatever.
took my ID. Don't took my ID.
Man, he got so much
What you
ass
doing
on
now?
him.
They got you out here too? Gonna put
Yeah,
on them
yeah,
gloves, we
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
say wee, ooh, like a cop car.
No, don't make me like come. No, don't make me like come touching y'all.
Oh, look at this motherfucker. What's up?
Watch this ass.
Look.
We got all y'all out here.
Watch
And he got his gloves on. He waiting to do a frisk. He said, wee.
That's right.
Frisk, it's just you keep running your mouth and act up and I beat your ass. I don't get anything.
You don't beat my ass.
My
ass not bad.
You beat my ass.
What's that?
You that bad? What the
Beat
hell?
my
You not bad.
Hey, I stand up.
Hit that man.
Sit down.
I stand
We
up.
ain't doing nothing to you.
Sit your ass
What are you
down.
doing?
Man, you a
What the
son
hell is
Got
out?
this shit
You
recorded.
ain't got a motherfucking blow smoke like that, officer. Where's Joe? It's a violation.
I stand up if I want.
Oh, God.
Stand
Why
up.
they pulling out their
Am I violating the code? Because I
Yeah.
stood up.
Open container. You're detained. You're gonna do what we tell you to do.
Container. Bitch.
Sit down.
Oh, hey, you gonna owe nobody nothing. Hey,
And we ain't doing no disrespect. You ain't gotta pull your taser out.
get his ass out of here.
Well,
You don't got my
You
ass.
doing it back.
Hey, I'ma charge your ass.
Listen, bro.
No. Why y'all grabbing him like that? What the hell?
Right there.
Oh,
And they was giving us
Hey,
a ticket.
hey.
Officer, they was giving us a ticket for that though. That's all they was doing. They was giving us a ticket. He ain't do nothing wrong. Rudy Judy, he ain't do nothing wrong. And he pulling out his taser.
No?
We ain't showing this no disrespect.
No, not at all.
Rush y'all.
Not at all.
Why y'all motherfucking getting Rudy for that?
Come over here. You can sit over here. Let's go.
Don't grab me like that. Yeah, you gonna get charged for that shit. Your bitch ass.
Bring your friends.
Bring your bitch ass too.
Open container, disorderly, and obstruction.
Okay, hold on. I'll give
Yeah,
you
that's what
the
I thought. Where then? Go, come on. Please. Please. Hey, just touch that shit.
This one's yours. And this is white guy. Oh, we just need to get on
Make it down
camera.
to the station to go to the bathroom, and all of a sudden,
Crazy Stallion, 24 ounce. Good enough. You're under arrest.
For what?
Open container, disorderly conduct, and obstruction.
Jump him right there?
Yep.
Man, you bullshit. Why you sorry? I'm going to the judge.
Yeah,
I'm going to the judge, nigga.
that's fine.
Charges. Open container. Resist officer without violence.